Welcome back to the Basics Hub. There's nothing quite like the warm glow and inviting scent of homemade candles to create a cozy atmosphere in your home. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your very own candles using simple materials and essential oils. Whether you want to set the mood for a relaxing evening or give thoughtful gifts, this DIY project is perfect for you. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need to get started with your candle making adventure. Wax. Soy wax is a great option. Candle wicks, a heat-safe container or mold. Essential oils for fragrance, a double boiler or microwave-safe bowl, a thermometer, stirring sticks or spoons, and optional color dye for candles. Soy wax is eco-friendly and burns cleanly, while essential oils allow you to customize the scent. You can use any container you like. Mason jars, teacups, or even decorative bowls work beautifully. Start by measuring out the amount of wax you'll need. A good rule of thumb is to fill your container twice with wax flakes, as they will melt down significantly. Next, melt the wax using a double boiler on medium heat, or in the microwave in short bursts of 30 seconds, stirring in between until fully melted. Make sure not to overheat it. Once melted, use your thermometer to check the temperature. You want it to be around 170 degrees Fahrenheit, 77 degrees Celsius, before adding your essential oils. Now it's time to add your essential oils. For a standard-sized candle, about 1 ounce of essential oil per pound of wax is a good guideline. Stir well to combine. If you want to add color, now is the time. Just a few drops of candle dye will do. Stir until evenly distributed. While your wax cools slightly, prepare your wick. Use a bit of melted wax or adhesive to secure it to the bottom of your container so it stays in place when pouring. Once your wax has cooled to about 150 degrees Fahrenheit, carefully pour it into your container around the wick. Leave some space at the top for a clean finish. Let your candles sit undisturbed at room temperature for about 4 hours or until completely solidified. Once fully set, trim the wick to about 1/4 inch above the surface of the candle for optimal burning. And there you have it. Your very own homemade candles ready to light up your space and create that cozy atmosphere we all love. Use them in your living room while reading, in your bathroom for relaxation, or gift them to friends and family. The possibilities are endless. Today we've learned how easy it is to make beautiful candles at home using simple materials and essential oils. It's a fun project that not only enhances your space but also makes great gifts. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more DIY inspiration. What scents would you love to try in your candles? Share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Here's to creating warmth and comfort in our homes. Happy candle making.